Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a Naturebox unboxing. Sorry that I'm a little raspy today. I am getting another cold. Go figure. But yeah, I'm doing Naturebox. I've done Naturebox before. I've always periodically gotten treats. I don't get them monthly like I used to. Just because some of the things that I used to get and that were my favorites are either not available when I want them or they taste different. When Naturebox first started out, I used to get the power clusters. Those were amazing. But I don't get them anymore because they taste different since they've gotten more things. In excuse me, trying to make things healthier, you know, I don't know, they just don't taste the same to me and they seem more sticky. So anyway, I have the $5 membership right now, which I get charged $5 a month. I always forget about it, but then they'll send me an email like when I reach $20 or something like that, and they'll tell me, hey, use your $20 before it expires. And then when I do use it, there's always like an extra discount or something like that. So then I get everything practically free because I always figured that $5 comes out of my account and I really don't realize it, I guess, because it's only $5. But anyway, let's get into the unboxing, and I'm going to do a taste test because some of these things that I got, some of the things I got, I don't know what happened, but some of the things in here I've never purchased from them before, so I'm going to do a taste test as well. Sampling, I guess is what you call it. So I don't remember everything I got. I kind of peeked through the box, but not thoroughly, so bear with me. So here's the little receipt to tell me what I got. I did dig into these last night. These are really good, and I thought they were going to be gross because they're whole wheat. Jeez. Just when I start feeling better, I start getting sick again. By the way, for those of you who don't know, I live in Michigan, and all weekend it's been raining, kind of icy rain. So it's been super cold here. We had one warm day last week, which was 71 degrees. And then the next day it went from 71 degrees to 41 degrees, which sucks. Okay, so anyway, these are the whole wheat vanilla animal cookies. So I got to... So good. One of the things I really like about these is you can really smell the vanilla and it tastes really good. And I like the fact that it's not super sweet. It's when you buy traditional animal cookies from the store, they're either really dry or they're really sweet. And these are amazing. These are really good. And I like the fun shape. So that's that. Then I got, I'm going to talk while I'm chewing. I love those, by the way. I will be ordering more. These are mini whole wheat chocolate chip cookies. So let's taste this one. And the vanilla animal cookies were the only ones I opened last night. I was just really, really hungry. And I haven't really been eating because I haven't been feeling well. So I ate some of the animal cookies. Which I know isn't healthy, but I ate it anyway. So this is really cute. It kind of reminds me of the Cookie Crisp cereal. It's pretty good. Again, not super sweet. And I really like these. You don't think it's going to be good because it's whole wheat, but I want to try it. Because I don't think I've really tried whole wheat treats before. I really like those. I'll be ordering more. So I got 2 bags of those. And then I have 2 bags of the vanilla cookies. And then I got some samples here. Just because I needed to add some more things to my box for free shipping. So chocolate chip cookies. But these ones, yeah, these are the same as the ones I got. And then these are vanilla bean wafers. So I'm going to try these out. The funny thing is I wanted to order the vanilla bean wafers, the full order, but they were unavailable. So I got the sample. I figured that'll hold me over until they come back available. So let's taste it. I always smell everything and it actually smells gross. But it tastes really good. I tell my kids that all the time. Just because your dinner looks gross or your dinner smells gross doesn't mean it's going to taste gross. These are really good. I like these, so I'll be ordering more of those. And then I got crispy snickerdoodle crisps. And the snickerdoodles that I wanted, the regular snickerdoodles that they have, were unavailable as well. But so I just got these. These are so good. And you can really taste the cinnamon. Really good. I like those. So I guess this is going to be my breakfast snack this morning because I really haven't eaten breakfast. I have some fruit cut up. So these, I want a whole one. These are the chocolate animal cookies, and these are also whole wheat. They're all like broken. I'm really funny. I just want a whole one. And that's a little sheep. These are good. So that's what I got today. Short video. I have a doctor's appointment today, which is why I made a really short video, and I could have made this into kind of like a vlog, but I didn't want to do that. I just kind of wanted it to be separate. So again, Naturebox. They have so many things. It's like so many things that they didn't have before. Like when I first started years ago, when they first started, they have like soups and oatmeals and granolas that are really good. The cookies, pretzels, peanuts, you know, all those kind of things that are really tasty. What I'm trying to do is order one of everything so I can taste everything they have, see what I really like. So when I know to place the order again, I know what I'm going to get. But I really like all of those. So if you want to try them for yourself, I do have a code below that you can try these out for yourself. And I think it's $20. $15 to $20 I think you get for trying using my code, but I'm not sure. If it's wrong, of course I'll put it across the screen. But hope you like this video, guys. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. That helps me out greatly when you do give me thumbs up, because it lets me know what you like, what you don't like. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I'm attempting to continue to do the 3 times a week. Sometimes it gets hard when I'm really, really sick, but I'm going to try my best to continue on with the 3 videos a week. And this summer when the kids are out of school, I may go back to daily vlogging like I used to on my other channel. It would just be on this channel. So you can also check out my movie review channel with me. Well, it's not mine. It's me and my husband's channel. And that link is also down below. I have so many things coming up within the next few weeks. So things may be a little crazy. Things may be a little short. But I'm going to promise to you guys that I will manage to at least get 2 videos up a week if I can't do 3. And thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate your support. I'm starting to get a lot more comments and things like that on my videos, which I really like communicating with all you guys. So don't ever feel like you can't communicate with me, whether it's positive or negative. Like I've said before, I'm going to respond to you in a positive way. So with all that being said, again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Bye!